Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps. Install Shareit and grant Wi-Fi plus location permissions so device discovery works. Once done, open the app and choose Send or Receive. This is where the transfer mode is set. Make sure to select the exact file or folder you want to share, because Shareit batches items for speed. Tap Next and keep the screen active. If you lock your phone, connections can drop, so stay ready for the pairing prompt. Now you connect and execute the transfer. The sender creates a hotspot or uses the nearby scan, and the receiver accepts the incoming connection. This pairing is crucial for speed. Once the devices link, tap the target device icon and confirm the transfer list and total size so you know what to expect. Monitor the progress bar and transfer rate. If you pause, resume works reliably. If a large file stalls, retry that specific item rather than restarting the whole batch, because partial transfers can be resumed. To finish, verify received files in Gallery or My Files so you confirm integrity and location. Once verified, use Shareit's cleanup option to remove temporary transfer files, and free storage if space is low. Low storage often causes failed transfers. If a transfer fails, toggle Wi-Fi and location, then restart the app or both devices. That clears stale connections. Make sure to reinstall Shareit only if problems persist, because reinstall preserves settings, but refreshes permissions, and resolves most stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.